Hey everybody, we're coming to you from the drone site here for 50 Nights of Fire, an all-new show opening this weekend at Carowinds.
Our show features 180 drones that will fly about 400 feet in the air.
Our drones have these lights on the bottom of them, and when they get up into the air, they actually fly in this formation and create these colorful images throughout the course of our show, all relaying back to the history of Carowinds over its past 50 years. So the launch of the drones is synchronized by a computer, but each of the drones carries its own signal and its own program and flight pattern inside the drone itself. Of course, all monitored by an FAA certified pilot.
"50 Nights of Fire" opens up this Saturday, the 17th, and runs all the way through August 6th. Come and join us.